she don't think that my son should be on the PTA meeting and go on the field trips with Javon, her son, they son, my grandson, because he got tattoos on his face. Is that fair? Should I be like offended? I suggested, because she doesn't want to do the PTA and go on the field trip with the kids, but she don't want John to go because she embarrassed of his tattoos. For real, Jaden? Well, what about her lips? I would never be like, I don't want you to go on the field trip because you got juicy lips, like you from Africa.